The wind is getting loud, but the whole neighborhood is fast asleep. Wait, that sound was way too close. It woke me up completely. My cozy blanket is warm. Good night, little stars. Look at the big oak tree. The branches are shaking so wildly. Anna, wake up right now. The front yard tree is breaking. An emergency at midnight? Let us check the yard immediately, Lucas. Right then. I need a better look. Let us scan the lawn right now. The trunk is cracking wide open. It is falling toward the house. It is leaning toward the nursery. It will crush the crib.
Danger! The electrical wires are broken. The power is completely out.
The lights went black. I cannot see a single thing, Anna. I have a flashlight. Follow my beam down the stairs quickly. We must move faster. We only have a few seconds left.
Anna? Why are you running in the dark hallway?
The floor just shook. Did we just have a small earthquake? No, Mom. The giant tree is falling straight onto the bedroom. Whoa. The house is making scary noises. Mommy, come hold me.
The heavy trunk is collapsing. It is heading right for us.
Baby, I am coming. Do not be scared, my sweet baby. The lock is jammed. My baby is trapped inside that room.
The frame is bent out of shape. We need a lever.
I found the heavy iron bar. This will force it open. Hurry, Anna. The branches outside are already pushing against the glass. Hold the light steady, Lucas. I am placing the tip now. I'm applying pressure now. The door is moving.
Everyone push down together. We must pop this frame open.
It worked! The door is open! Get him out of there! I have you, my sweet angel. You are safe now. The main trunk is snapping completely. Run back to the hallway. Watch out! The whole window is shattering into small glass pieces. The nursery is ruined, but we made it out safely, Mom.
The roof structure is safe, but the electrical lines are snapped.
My drone has full battery. Let us map the yard damage. Fly outside, little drone. Show us the roadblocks on my app. Look at the screen. The rescue truck is arriving outside our gate.
Attention, residents. The rescue patrol is here to clear the debris. Please stay inside the hallway. We must cut these heavy logs.
The rescue workers are slicing the giant tree into small pieces.
The path is clear, ma'am. The structural danger is gone.
Thank you so much. Your team saved our family tonight, sir.
This special medal is for the brave boy who woke everyone up.
Look at my star shine. I am an official safety helper now. We handled the emergency perfectly because we worked as a team.
Sit down and rest, kids. Let us warm up our bodies.
The drone is completely whole. The plastic wings did not break. The winter monster is gone. Toby is warm inside our house.
Time for bed, kids. Tomorrow we fix the broken walls.
The sun is up. The midnight tree is just firewood now.
Look at the trunk, Lucas. Nature always leaves clear clues.
Why did the deep roots snap so easily during the storm?
The inside wood rotted from old age. It lost its structural strength.
Ah, the internal rot made the tree weak against the wind.
Breakfast is ready on the table, explorers. Come and eat.
This fresh strawberry is the best reward after a scary night. I am going to draw the whole tree diagram in my book. Yummy red berry. Give the sweet fruit to Toby, Mom.
Eat slowly, Toby. Fresh fruit gives your muscles good energy fuel.
Vroom! My toy rescue truck can speed across the kitchen tiles. This is the best celebration party in the whole world. It sure is.
This beautiful photo shows how strong our family bond truly is.
Vroom! The toy ambulance is speeding to save the plastic dinosaurs. The toy dinosaur is trapped under a branch. Quick, call help!
I love how they turned a scary emergency into a game.
I am drawing a large home safety blueprint for our refrigerator.
Tell me, what does your official rule poster say, Lucas?
Rule number 1. Always listen to the wind variables before bed.
Your drawing is excellent, Lucas. It teaches real-world safety science.
Officer Jake, welcome back to our little helper home, sir.
I brought a special gift for the smartest junior captain today.
Look, Anna. These blue fruits look like tiny, shiny space planets.
These fresh fruits keep your brain sharp and ready for rescues.
Vroom! The rescue car is moving fast. No friction can block me. This is the best kind of celebration party in the world.
This picture belongs on our living room wall, under the lamp.
Keep your safety rules active, Captain Lucas. See you soon.
Junior Safety Officer Lucas, reporting for duty. Over and out, sir. The officer is very fun when the sky is completely clear. Vroom! The toy truck is rushing to save the plastic dinosaurs. The toy dinosaur is trapped inside a storm. Send help fast.
You three can turn any past emergency into a beautiful game. Eat this good warm soup to keep your muscles strong tonight.
That is what older sisters are for, Lucas. To protect family. The white paper drawing looks very beautiful next to my medal. My heart feels very soft and safe tonight, Mom. Good night. Sleep well, my brave little safety captain. Your home is safe.